Here we go. Graphing Inequalities quiz review. As usual, this looks exactly like the quiz you're going to be taking tomorrow. I just changed around some of the numbers. So we simplified this a little bit. So instead of having a whole bunch of points that you're checking to find if they're a solution, there's just one. This is my x and this is my y. We're going to plug those values into the inequality. If the statement is still true, then the answer is yes, it is a solution. If the answer is false or not true, then it is not a solution. So we're going to plug this in. 7 times x plus 3 times y is greater than or equal to negative 10. Plug in my x and y. That'd be 4 and negative 5. 7 times 4 is 28. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Greater than or equal to negative 10. Oops, 10. 28 minus 15 is 13, is greater than or equal to negative 10. 13 is greater than negative 10. This is a true statement, so yes, this point is a solution. For the second one, we have to do the same thing, we just have to do it twice, and it has to satisfy both of these. Okay, so this is again my x and my y. I'm going to put one here. 2 times x minus 4 times y is less than 15. And then I'm going to do it over here. Negative 3 times x plus 2 times y is less than negative 4. I'm going to plug in my x's and y's. So this will be 0, negative 3, 0, negative 3. 2 times 0 is 2. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. It's less than 15. 2 plus 12 is 14. Is 14 less than 15? Yes, that is true. All that means is that one of these is definitely true. It means we must check the other one. If the first one was wrong, we don't have to continue. If the first one is correct, we do have to go to the second one. Negative 3 times 0 is 0. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. It's less than negative 4. Okay. Then 0 minus 6 is negative 6 is less than negative 4. Is negative 6 less than negative 4? Well, yes, on a number line if you look at it. Negative 6 is further to the left than negative 4. This is also true, which means that this is also a solution. Okay? The next two problems ask us to solve each inequality for slope-intercept form and then graph and shade the solution set. If you look here, the first one is already solved for y, so that makes our lives a little bit easier. Over here to the side, I'm going to go ahead and put our Punnett square. Okay, make this up, this down, this solid, this dotted. Okay. These are our symbols that are going to tell us how to graph. Okay, first thing, my slope. Well, my slope is the number attached to x. In this case, it is 4/5. Means up 4, right 5. My y-intercept is negative 2. My symbol is greater than. Now, if I look at my table over here, greater than means I'm going to shade up, and my line is going to be dotted. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph this. Put y-intercept at negative 2. My slope is up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't go any further up. Let's see if I can go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to make a dotted line between those two. Not the easiest task, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. So here's my line. It needs to be dotted. So there's my dotted line. Okay, and up is above, so that's going to be this direction. That is my solution set for this problem. The next one we actually need to solve, so we need to get the y by itself. The first thing we're going to do on this problem is to add 3x to both sides, which will give me 2y is less than or equal to 3x minus 8. Then I need to get rid of that 2. To do that, I'm going to divide everything by 2, which gives me y is less than or equal to 3 over 2x minus 4. Now I have my slope, 3 over 2. That's up 3, right 2. My y-intercept is negative 4. My sign here is less than or equal to. If I look at my table, that's down and solid. Down, solid. Okay, we're going to start by graphing here at negative 4, and then follow the slope. Up 3, right 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And I got room for one more. I can also go down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Since it is a solid line, I don't have to worry about the dotted part. Just draw a line through there. Down is going to be this section here. That's my second graph. Go and pause, take a break to go to the next graph.